Want to protect your browsing and files, without installing anything, without paying a dime? With OFFI Docs, it's easy. Meet 2 essential tools you can use directly from your browser. ClamAV Online Antivirus and VPNOnline, secure VPN as unlimited proxy. Let's start with ClamAV Online Antivirus. It scans your files in seconds, documents, PDFs, zips, you name it. Just upload the file, and ClamAV checks it for viruses, malware, or hidden threats. No downloads, no registration. It's fast, private, and 100% free. It's powered by the same open-source antivirus engine used by businesses around the world. Perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone handling files from different sources. Now, while ClamAV keeps your files safe, VPNOnline keeps your connection secure. It's a browser-based VPN that encrypts your traffic and hides your IP address. Browse anonymously, access blocked websites, and stay safe on public Wi-Fi, all without installing a thing. No setup. No sign-up. No limits. Both tools are ideal when you're on a shared device, traveling, or just need instant protection on the go. With just a few clicks, you can scan suspicious files and browse privately, right from your browser. Visit offidocs.com today to start using ClamAV Online Antivirus and VPNOnline for free. Simple. Secure. No strings attached. Explore more tools and products on GoSarch. Find the link in the description.